Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So great news. I'm filming another video as you can see today, and also I just got a editing app. Well, found out about an editing app after I'm able to get. So now I'm able to edit my videos. So you might know that some of my past videos haven't been editing. You might have noticed that. It's because, well, yeah, I haven't been editing. Cause I haven't found a editing app that I'm able to use. But now I just learned about the Windows editor. Like, it's on Windows, you just click on your Win button. The Windows button should be 2 times to your left of your spacebar. It should say WIN or show a window, whatever. When you click it, this pops up. I'm not sure if you guys could see that. And then you just click video, and here it is. That's the video editor app. And yeah, so now I can edit my clips. So I'm just gonna edit myself into... Alright, yeah, so we're going into the world right now. We're still trying to find radiant ore. Might have read that from the description of my other video. But 2 videos ago we actually did find radiant ore. I showed you guys what it looked like. But of course I died that video, so right at the end, so I didn't have any other radiant ore. Unfortunately, it was right next to, what is it called, my actual base. So right before I was going to put it away, I died, so I lost that 2 radiant ore, which is very valuable. Oh my goodness. There's so many chickens up there. Why am I so freaking mad? I know. We don't like you. Did I get rid of them all? Did I? Honey boy. Oh yeah, oh my gosh, another one. Get yeeted into the depths of... I mean, honestly, I don't even know, honestly. I want to get over there, but I can't. Since I don't got JetPack yet. Q berries, right? Q berries. Water lettuce. We don't need phosphor for it. Port that we do need, though, is a honey port. Yep. That little abomination. No. Eat your freaking food. And you eat food. Poop it. Poop. He just pooped up my plort for me. Then we get the plort. No! Oh no. I did not like that experience one bit. That was not a fun experience. Where does that one open up? I don't know. Whatever. Alright, I'm gonna just cut back when I find a radiant ore. Okay, I just wanted to say this. I never knew this, but if I open up my map here, it shows you where the Gordos are. Look, so we got a Gordo over here, we got a Bat Gordo over here. We got the Hunter Gordo that I found a little while back over there. That is so cool. I never knew that. Alright. Yeah, editing me here. This isn't actually important to the video. Yeah. Alright, we're back again. Not because we found a wolf piece. Just we're back in this world. I just wanted to say that we did change areas. So we aren't in the peaceful area. Now we're in the very annoyed boom boom slot guys, okay? Give me this. Oh wait, no, I don't need that. Okay, but actually I have... Oh my gosh! I just remembered where they are. And I need the JetPack, so... To get the puddle slime, the slime that I'm after right now, I need the JetPack. Which for that, we need that. Yeah, so let's see on the... Oh, no! Okay. Radiant ore, radiant ore. We got radiant ore. We found some, Found 3 radiant ore. Oh, wow. That is nice. Yeah, there we go. I guess we did find radiant ore. This. Imagine if I jumped. Oh my gosh. And that's a little bit more radiant ore. And I think this is the tunnel to the old puddle slimes. It is the puddle slimes are right here. We found puddle slimes. Let's go, guys. And then if we could get up there, there's a Gordo up there. Baddie slimes are actually very cool too. We're not gonna take any baddie slimes though. Alright, we're gonna go get the fire slime. We already got 5 radiant ore. Wow, that's very good actually. 5 radiant ore. First we're gonna go just look around here. Check up here. If I can. If I can get up there. Yeah. Nope, we can't get that further up. Oh wait, no, I have to go down here. Wait, Alright, hopefully, just hopefully, pink slimes, pink slimes I don't have to worry about, but pink tabby, not Gordo, Largos? Yeah, Largos, right? Largos. So we've already unlocked both the hardest ones. I actually don't need slimes nor fire slimes. I don't actually need fire slimes. Oh my god, this thing is gonna be so hard to feed. Cause this thing only eats water and the fire slime only eats ash. Can you just freaking imagine? Bro, he's eating fire! I mean ash. Fire slime ash. Oh my gosh. These will be so hard. I think the ash will be a little easier though. We're gonna head back to the house, right? I don't think we need an actual specific thing, even for the little slimes. Oh, but if we do put those in there, they'll just automatically give us that. That's the thing. And then, okay, so we're gonna get a pond first. Put these guys in there, sleep a day, collect those, give them to our, then make a coop. Give them to our fire slimes. And then we should have a fire water largo. If that's possible. I really hope it's possible because I've personally never seen it. So that's gonna break both my kneecap. Oh, more radiant armor. Okay, guys, we need 2 more radiant ore. Should I stay long enough to find a little bit more radiant ore so I can get the jetpack, or do I go home? Either way, I'm gonna cut back to when I'm home and got the 10th piece. Yeah, I brought 10 piece chicken nuggets. Ryer hen. Not sure, probably is. What? You will break multiple kneecaps. Even though you only have one, you will break multiple. Actually, no, you have 2. Okay, never mind, it works. There you go, guys. There's more tar. Get out. Now we're actually okay. Oh, come on. Let's go. Alright, we found it. Alright, I'm gonna come back to when we're at the house. Alright, well, I already came back. I already built this. Put in the petal slimes. Fire slimes despawned. I fed those. Skipped a little bit of time. Sold that stuff. Put in the radiant ore. In a little area. And now we just gotta go get 10 phosphor quartz. It shouldn't be that hard. Saying how they eat fruit. You guys eat fruit. So, philosopher, eat your fruit and you eat your fruit. Give me that. Alright, so we got 2 of them right now. Oh wait, no, I need those. I need those. Wanna know why? So if I do this, I can feed it veggies. I can feed you veggies. Or meat. Eat the meat. You'll still give me... Oh shoot, no! No! None of you. You're not allowed in this farm. Okay. No! Bunny. Oh, that's like the only thing I don't have. Eat the veggie. Finally! Why do philosopher slimes just don't ever want to eat? It won't like for you. Why do you just don't want to eat it? Just pink phosphor largo, eat the freaking carrot. Thank you. I don't care. Actually, no, I don't care about you. I give it to you and then you eat the carrot. Yes, you better not eat the carrots. I said off limits for you. Curse you, Timmy Turner. Come here, Cotton Largo. We're going over there. Just eat this. No! Give me your freaking floor. Where did your port go? Oh, here it is. Alright, we're going to give that to you. Now poop out. Where did it go? Eat that, eat that. No! Largo bunnies! Okay. Bunny larva, eat that. Now it's no longer my business. We've got our 3 phosphor plorts. We don't need any more, and I don't want to get any more. When did I have 10 When did I have 10 pink plorts? Wait, hold on, did I? Okay, now we're good, Alright, so this is where you have to put them in. The Bridian ore. We're finally able to get these. Look at this. I can fly! Alright, so what is the energy? Whatever you can back it. 30 minutes, whatever I can back it. I guess that's okay. Cotton plorts, that's good. This is alright. So I'm gonna get cotton pink plorts. Not gonna be that hard. Yellow home portal are actually alright. Except I don't have the money for that. Well, no, I do have the money for it, but I don't have the other requirements for that. That chicken died before me, so I count that as a win. Alright. You guys are very hungry. With you guys, except you. And you are making me very much money. Whoa, 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 whoa! You're not to be here, mate. Alright, bro. Alright. We got this. Do we have any elder hens? I got it. along with a lot of other chickens. Let me go ahead and feed a few of these. Alright, sands and that one. He knocked himself out too, I forgot about that. Alright guys, what shall we put in this containment cell that we have over here? Let's go to silo. Silos aren't that bad. You could store whatever you want, really. There. It's free. Let's sell them right now. And later. Sunset Hill. They're saying gross those. And the rest are leaving soon. Oh. Okay. Alright, well, I don't care, honestly. Yes, Oregon. Oregon, how you been, man? Alright. This is awesome. I love Oakden. Oopsies. Portable water tap. Very nice. Thank you. Alright. You remember that thing that I said that's later on in the game that I might have said in the first video? Well, we're able to do this area now. We were able to get over here before. That would be all we were able to do. Now we're able to get over there. And up there. Up here it's just some jellystone. Not extremely crazy. Alright, so yeah, oh no, my jellystone! Not much. Yeah, there's just 3 of them over here. 3 angry slimes. That's about it. And a really nice view. Fit for a thumbnail, which I'm not gonna put as my thumbnail. Yes, so with the silo, what we're able to do now is something extremely awesome in my opinion. Something that I like very much, at least. As I said earlier, the pink plorts won't be a problem. I already have 10. See? And same with the cotton plorts. I mean, there's all kinds of cotton slimes over here. I'm even getting some more pink slimes, but that's not very helpful in this case. These are just for the health and sprint upgrade. That's all. Because, I mean, I'm tired of my sprint going down in like 10 seconds. So let's make it longer. Alright, but as I was saying, with the silo, we're able to store these, right? The other thing that's really great about it is that I am able to do this. Yeah, I'm able to put a bunch of carrots in there. Which means if I ever need to change this spot or make it somewhere else, while I'm doing that, I have a bunch of carrots stocked up. And also, what I'm able to do is put in some of these heartbeats too. And any other really green bean I could get my hands on. I'm gonna put all those in there, and I'm also... Whoa, what the frick just happened? Why did I jump so high? I was like, wee! Mario! It's me, Mario! And yeah, you just suck it up, like, click the suck button. Whatever, I don't know. This is gonna be my resource one. This is going to... And then I wonder what I'm gonna do for my last resource. It's most likely... Actually, no, it is going to be one of those. That's a dangerous pen. You don't even want to get close to it. Oh, it's just like... Okay, never mind. Nothing that interesting. For me, at least. I can just click F1 to do that. We're going to put all of those in there, and we are going to get this. This. Oh yeah, and I think you're also able to upgrade things. Oh, boom plorts. That's actually not going to be that hard to get. Same with the tabby plorts. Well, boom plorts usually would be hard to get. But now, since... Oh, no, come on. Man. Dang it. No, since I have my whole entire farm, I already have like over 30 of these boom plorts saved up. We're good. I don't get exactly 10. Exactly 10. Oh, and that actually gave me enough money too, because I was down a little bit of money. And that just gave me what I needed. There you go. And now we're gonna go get tabby plorts right before I get the new bugs. Yo, wait, hold on. Oh my god, how many times am I gonna... Oh my... I've done it like already 5 times. Can we just not do that? I mean, I guess it's speeding up my growth process. So that's alright. The heartbeats. And the truck ton of carrots that I already have. I don't even need all these carrots. I'm gonna put all these in there too. And I literally have another 20 exactly of the carrots. I don't have many of these. But then again, I only have 4 of them. Ow. There, you guys happy now? Alright, yeah, we're gonna sell all 80 of these plorts that we just got here. Why are all of the ones that I have going down in value? I mean, I know why, but why? I need my money! Okay, I'm making my money! My money is mine to keep! And you can do it. Oh yeah, I want to show you guys something. We're able to take a shortcut over to that island. Once you get the jetpack. Sneaky life. Oi. They take me. I ain't a vegetarian nor a fugitive. I don't even know, okay? Let's just ignore what I just said. Personally, I don't even know what I just said. I said, like, fruitarian. Does that exist? And I mean, I'll mix you guys. Let's pink slimes. Pink slimes are going to be very easy. Cause I mean, they're going to. Run. Usually I try to save them. Now they're on their own. I don't want to be near them. This guy is pooping out so many. Let's go. Let's go. Eat. Babunda. My bunda. Ah, bro, you guys got brothers? I got bundas. Alright, go shove your mouths. Just gonna take a few of those. That was menacing. Alright, do we have 10 tabby floors? No, we only have 4. Again. I'll do the sleep trick. 25, perfect! That is perfect. I love that. Y'all are very hungry now. So we will just give you something food. We're gonna take all of the beautiful floors. Beautiful 17 typing floors. What were we even trying to get? I don't even remember, honestly. Oh yeah, this. 10 radiant ore storage cell, which I have jellystone angler floor. Okay, an extra tank is not hard. Water tank, also not that hard, but not that useful at the same time. I mean, definitely later on it will be very useful. Well, not extremely useful, but pretty useful. That's a better way to say it. But now that we have this jetpack, in the next video, this is gonna be awesome, man. First, I'll just feed my guys while I'm doing my outro. Alright, so, make sure to like and subscribe. And, honestly, see you guys next time. Have a great day, and, peace out. Oh yeah, because I fed them. Okay, this is taking enough time. Alright, see you guys later. Hope you have a good rest of the year. Hope you had a good Christmas. If it's Christmas, if it's not Christmas, hope you have a good Christmas or Hanukkah, whatever you celebrate. It don't matter, we're all just one huge family. No, well, yeah, I guess. I mean, if you're following Christianity things, then yeah, we're all one big family. But yeah, that's the end, guys. Adios.